Household Essentials Trash Krusher Manual Trash Compactor. After thoroughly researching the market, the best trash compactor is the Household Essentials TK10XL1 Trash Krusher Manual Trash Compactor. This particular machine has a 50-liter internal volume, which means it can hold quite a significant volume of trash. The metal ram installed in the device can reduce trash volume by 50%, which means you can fill it up as much as 100 liters worth of trash, which is quite impressive when compared to some of the other compactors that you'll find on the market. Operating the device is easy, as you simply step on a foot-operated panel to activate the machine and start compressing your trash. A level has also been installed to keep the lid in an open position when you are changing the trash compactor bag, which provides a safer way to remove old trash and add a new bag to the device. The Household Essentials Trash Krusher Manual Trash Compactor also comes with a 1-year warranty.